In this video, I'm going to talk about how to trademark a name for your service business. If you're offering a service, whether it's consulting, marketing, or any type of service, you want to protect your business name to ensure that it's yours and yours alone. This video is brought to you by Agent CRM, the ultimate all-in-one software designed for agents and their teams. If you're looking to supercharge your business, Agent CRM has got you covered. From AI-powered schedule bot that helps you fill your calendar effortlessly to comprehensive marketing tools like unlimited funnels, email marketing, and ringless voicemail. Agent CRM is packed with features to streamline operations. With Agent CRM, you get access to powerful automated workflows, preloaded marketing campaigns, and world-class support. Plus, you can start with a free 14-day trial, no sign-up fee, and zero cost to get started. Join over 10,000 satisfied users who have transformed their business with Agent CRM. Head over to the link below or scan the QR code to start your free trial today and take your business to the next level. Hey there, it's Dan X Nguyen, and I'm here to help you navigate the legal side of your business as your trusted business attorney in California. Welcome back to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs, where we make legal matters straightforward and accessible for you and your business. Did you know that your business name could be hijacked by someone else legally? But don't worry, I'm here to help you lock down your brand identity and keep your business name truly yours. Now imagine building your service business from the ground up, only to find another company is using your name and stealing your customers. Without a trademark, this could be a nightmare and could become a reality. First things first, why should you even bother trademarking your business name? Well, think of your business name as your brand's identity. It's how customers recognize you and remember you. Without a trademark, someone else could legally use the same or confusingly similar name, potentially stealing your customers or damaging your reputation. A trademark gives you exclusive rights to use your business name nationwide, providing a powerful tool to prevent others from infringing on your brand. So how do we go about trademarking your service business name? So here's a step-by-step breakdown. Step 1, conduct a trademark search. Now before you apply, it's essential to make sure your desired name isn't already taken. You can do this by searching the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, database. This search will allow you to see if anyone else has already registered or applied for a similar name in your industry. Step 2, determine the trademark class. Next, you need to figure out the appropriate trademark class for your business. The USPTO categorizes trademarks into different classes based on the type of goods or services offered. For service businesses, you'll likely be registering under one or more service classes. Step 3, file your trademark application. Now, once you confirm that your name is available and determine the correct class, it's time to file your trademark application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. The application process involves providing information about your business, the trademark you're applying for, and the goods or services associated with it. Step 4, respond to USPTO actions. After you submit your application, the USPTO will review it. They may issue an office action if they find any issues with your application, such as similarities to existing trademarks. If this happens, don't panic. You have the opportunity to respond and address their concerns. Step 5, publication and registration. If your application passes the USPTO's examination, it will be published in the Official Gazette, a weekly publication that gives others a chance to oppose your trademark. If there's no opposition, or if opposition is resolved in your favor, your trademark will be registered, and you'll receive a certificate of registration. To boost your chances of successfully registering your trademark, consider these tips. Be unique. First, choose a name that's distinct and not easily confused with existing trademarks. Use the name in commerce. Make sure you're using your business name in the marketplace before or soon after applying. The USPTO requires proof of use in commerce. Consult an attorney. Trademark law can be tricky, and small mistakes can lead to delays or rejections. Consulting an attorney can navigate and help you go through the process smoothly. Thanks for tuning in to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave your questions and comments below. I'm always here to help you navigate the legal landscape with ease. Until next time, stay informed and stay empowered.